that going?
Yep.
So, inconsistent and dependent systems, what happens in matrices when you come up with something like 1, 0, 3, but then you have 0, 0, 4? Can you solve something like that? This is inconsistent because 0, like y, can't equal 4 because you can't divide, or 0x can't equal 4 because you can't divide by 4. So in an inconsistent system, and it doesn't matter if it's 2 by 2 or if it's 3 by 3, if you ever come up with like zeros over here, with a -8 over here, or with any number, these are inconsistent. You can't solve those. Dependent systems,
Don't.
they're gonna work out to where like the bottom is true. So where 0, 0, 0, that's true. So this system is a dependent system. This means that x plus 3y equals 7. And when you write the solutions of something like this, here's how they want it done. X, and then you have to write y in terms of x. So you have to solve for y then. So I'm going to do 3y equals -x plus 7. And then I'm going to divide by 3 and divide by 3. So this is going to be -x plus 7 over 3. That's my solution in terms of x. If you don't want to write it in terms of x, you can write it in terms of y, but then y is just the y, and then you have to solve this in terms of y. So this is going to be x equals -3y plus 7, and so then you write -3y plus 7 for x. So you can solve a dependent system 2 different ways. It just depends on which variable do you want to leave plain, and then you solve it the other way for the other part. Okay?
Line on it.
Can I help you? Picture the last one here.
This is true even in a 3 by 3. I can come up with a dependent system, and then I'm going to have to write, this is going to be x minus z equals 2, and this is going to be y minus 2z equals -3. So the variable that's in common to both of those is what? Z. So we want z, and then we want these two things written in terms of z. So you're gonna have to solve for x here and solve for y here so that we know what our solution types are gonna be. So x is gonna equal z plus 2. Y is gonna equal 2z minus 3. So this is gonna be 2z minus 3 for y and z plus 2 for x.
Stick your raising eyeball.
And that's my solution for a dependent system.
TK, I understand 9.2 now.
Yeah. So do I.
Okay, can we pause this or stop this